Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and embark on a journey of self-discovery. Experience the serenity of camping and capture the wonders of nature through your lens. Reconnect with the essentials of life and create lasting memories in the great outdoors. Capture the majestic landscapes and find solace in the beauty of nature. Indulge in the peacefulness of fishing and let the tranquility of nature wash over you. Take your time, be patient, and savor the moments of reflection and self-discovery. Delve into the depths of self-reflection and capture the essence of personal transformation. Document your journey and create a visual diary of growth and self-discovery. Witness the breathtaking beauty of a sunrise and let it symbolize your own journey of self-discovery. Capture the magical moments of a sunrise and treasure them forever. As you return home, carry the memories and visual diary of your personal growth. Flip through your photo album and relive the wonders of nature and self-discovery. Connect with nature, capture its beauty, and let it transform your life.